All right. So, quick tip on how to get your engine running. Un tip rápido de cómo tener tu motor funcionando pronto. Just go here. First of all, click down on where it says click get response. It should be okay if you can see this. Here's gonna be the video, and click here get response. Click get response. All right, and then you just make a get response account so you can have in here, right? Y aquí está get response. Okay, solo hagan clic aquí y hagan una cuenta en get response para que lo tengan. Okay, once you get that, just log into your Big Idea Mastermind. Solo entren a Big Idea Mastermind y then click in Business Center and click on Business Center. Easy and just where was I? ¿Dónde era? Aquí. Original funnel, ok. Dan clic ahí y ahora aquí en Autoresponder Setup. Ok, and just y una vez que están ahí ya hacen el paso 1. Perdón, ese ya lo van a tener hecho. You've already done that. And now just do what it says here. And then step 3 and step 4. Right? Easy as that. Solo hagan el paso 2, 3 y 4. Fácil. Ok. Muy sencillo. Pretty easy. If you want, you can also do step 1. That's okay. And yeah, that's it. That's it for today. As easy, as fast as that. It doesn't take you too long. And now you've done your homework for today. All right? See you guys.